In this exercise, you will complete the measures using only one note or rest, and you're going to alternate between notes and rest. So this first one, we're going to start with a note. And we have a missing note value right here at the beginning. So let's determine how many beats are in the rest of the measure. We have 1, 2.5 beats. So we have 2.5 beats. We're supposed to have 4. So 4 minus 2.5 is 1.5. Okay, so we need something, only one note value can be 1.5 beats. So think about what only has 1.5 beats. So our dotted quarter note is 1.5 beats, and we're just going to click and drag that over here. That's an empty text box, not that one. Let's try this one. Here we go. Okay, so that's how we do that measure. Let's look at the next one. We have to determine how many beats are in the measure so we can figure out what's missing. So we have 1, 2, 3.5 beats. And I like to start with my whole beats. I knew this was going to be 1.5. So you could think 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. Or if you forget what this is and you want to start with your whole beats already, you could just go, that's 1 beat, 2 beats, 3.5. Either way, you come up with 3.5 beats. And that means we're supposed to have 4 beats in a measure, and we only have 3.5. We're supposed to be alternating between notes and rest. So this would be a rest that only has a half a beat. So which of these rests over here only have a half a beat? So we know that our 8th rest has half a beat. So we're going to click and drag that over there. And that's how you're going to do this exercise. You're going to complete the rest of these. And again, you're alternating between note, rest, note, rest, note, rest. If you forget and you want to type in something like N for note and R for rest, you can continue doing that. Then we know that my note goes there and my rest, come on, goes right here. Just to help remind you if you need to. But the main point is to remember that you're alternating notes and rest, and to count how many beats you already have in your measure and determine what one note value will cover the rest of that measure. And that's it.